Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Got some kind of cool apartments and architecture everywhere. Huh. Got a whole little world in here. Let's step up. They're selling couches here. They're pretty much everything. The Verde, which is Green Island. That's kind of a different kind of name. Avenida do Conselheiro, Borja. Let me kind of give you an idea where this goes to. It goes over there to St. Joseph's and Green Island. So Green Island is that that little hilltop over there, and then this little thing is for cars to have a bit of a shortcut going towards the border, kind of get through this whole neighborhood. So they'll go over that way, and that's Qingmao, the border gate. So Qingmao border gate is right there. So what we're gonna do is follow this particular street down, starting from this spot. So we're gonna miss the first block, which is near St. Joseph, but we are gonna catch all the stuff down there, which looks kind of interesting as well. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go across on that street. There's kind of an interesting building there, and then this and then this one is St. Joseph's, which is the university. So you can see it straight ahead, and that's the Green Island. And then right over here is some basketball, and this goes right towards the border gate. So there's Qingmao border gate straight ahead, and then there's also Gong Bay, which is not too far from here as well. So I wanted to go across the street when it hits green, but I might have to just go down this way instead. I guess we'll go down this way instead. Kind of cool. I haven't been up here in ages. Santa Teresa School. I like to film inside. It's kind of cool, but I don't want to film it because there's kids in there. Let me go across this way. That's kind of cool, rooftop right there. Yeah, this is an area that I seldom ever come to. So we're still on our Target Street. I kind of want to be on the other side though. School is getting out. I don't really want to be near schools. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get across the street here. It looks like I can just go across without a light. So let's do that. We're going to just keep on navigating across. Huh. It's kind of interesting. Got a rock metal gym. A whole little labyrinth of cool stuff in here. But I'm going to continue on. But we're near the border, and I noticed in the border there's often little worlds inside the apartments, buildings I mean. Huh. This one There's like a little thing right there. It says Missionary of Charity, and there's a Mother Mary up at the top. So we're going to go across here. Got some kind of cool apartments and architecture everywhere. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking down our target street. So we're going to go to the left. And now you can see all these tall apartments straight behind us as well. Just kind of cool. Yeah, pretty dense area. This is one of the denser areas of Macau. So you'll see a lot more taller buildings everywhere throughout this area. I pretty much never come over here. So okay, let's navigate. We're fairly close to the border. Okay. It's got some fruits and vegetables here. Got duck. Yeah, we got a pharmacy. This is fairly close to the border. Supermercado. So I believe we're near. Yeah, actually they call this area Green Island, Verde. Ilha Verde right there. So it's part of the Green Island, which makes sense because the St. Joseph's College is nearby. Trying to navigate through this crowd here. Huh. Got a whole little world in here. Let's step up. They're selling couches here. Huh. I pretty much never come over here. I need to come over more. It's kind of cool. So this is also inside of an apartment as well. So yeah, this is this little stretch all the way between Qingmao and Gong Bay. And then we got sinks. So another one of these apartments with more businesses again. Oh, this is cool. I'm not going to put my camera towards it. So this is officially part of Green Island. Okay. So Mong Ha is straight ahead. Huh, okay. Now we know where we are. It's kind of, I don't know if I filmed that street before. Doesn't sound, I don't think I go to that corner of Macau. Down this way is dog races, which are no longer here. So that whole stadium was for the dog races. And we can continue down our Target Street here. Really close to the border in this area. And I didn't realize that the St. Joseph's, I'm gonna cross the street, it's better. I have never come over in this area. I didn't realize that this street right here, So there's Mongha right there. The Fashion Institute of Technology is up there. There's a nice lookout views from at the top of that hill too. That's where the dog racing used to be. If you go all the way down, it goes all the way to St. Joseph's College. It's a Catholic university. I guess I wasn't aware of the street and how it connects to that university. It's the tall buildings in the background. So kitchen. Tutorials. The Good Cook. This is a Chinese restaurant. Looks like we're gonna get a little rain here. Oh, this looks cool. That building is super cool. Ricardo Sosa. I think that's another street I haven't filmed, this little Ricardo Sosa before. So we're going to continue down here. Public bathroom is right there. That's where we just came down from. Huh. Didn't know of this street before. So here's a public bathroom. And then we're going to keep on strolling down. Oh, it's actually Mercado. Tagnini Barbosa. Huh. 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 I didn't know about this place either. Sometimes there's places that you just don't go for whatever reason. Okay. So we're going to continue along our road here, giving an idea what it looks like. Gonna check out one of these. Oh, it's this apartment building. So actually that goes right through there. So actually you can go into these it's like open stairwell. Okay, so we got a pretty crowded bus here. A lot of kids coming out of school. I guess it's that time, I guess. Got a park right here, straight ahead. We're still on our Target Street here. Still going strong. So we got, I have filmed over here before. Not recently though. Okay. So this nice, beautiful park. Looks like it's temporarily shut down. So we'll keep on walking. So we're going to keep on going down that street. This is a little lane with the same name. Royal Supermarket. I guess there's a police station to the right. And we're coming up towards Victoria Hotel. Which is where the 6 murders occurred. Let's see if I can get across here. I think I can. Okay, So we're still continuing here. The Verde, which is Green Island. The temple in there. I think our street's going to be ending. There's another overpass. This is near the border. And actually it looks like it changes into Estrada do Arco. So this is going to end, and then this is officially this Victoria Hotel up there. And we're fairly close to the border in this area. So our target street was directly there. That one just goes all the way to St. Joseph's University. Looks like we've got a little bit of rain. And then it ends over by this temple. I think that's Mong Ha, that hill up above. I think that's a crematorium straight that way. I'll just come out and then we're going to end our video. So, okay. Another slice of Macau for you. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado da movimento.